It's a blustery day, blustery here in central Ohio. But I've been gone most of this week. I have been dog sitting my sister's dogs. But then I come home to this. Whoa, look at that. There's the new strawberry bed we just made right over there. It looks like Mom and Dad cleaned out the entire garden. The paths are all cleaned.
Yeah, we have that. Not over there yet.
Well, we're not perfect, but we do make progress. Yeah. Big plans for the garden this year. If you remember, we extended it last year to wooden part of our area. Looks good. So we had the corn here last year.
Yeah.
And that got destroyed by squirrels or raccoons.
These we had corn last year.
So these will have tomatoes, this, and that's our strawberry bed where we just put in. That had cucumbers last year. It will have...
I think I might do beets in there.
Beets.
Either there or over by the tractor shed. Where we had the tomatillos last year, I'm going to put the cucumbers.
Did you know my rap name is the Clumsy Farmer? Because I dropped the beet. And what's going to be in here?
Strawberries.
Oh, these are strawberries too. All right.
Now, because we planted, see, these were pineberry strawberries. They're white. They're supposed to taste like pineapples. But you have to put another kind with it so it can cross-pollinate.
Ah.
So I don't know if these are the red ones or the white ones. And we had beans in here last year. So I think that's going to be tomatoes. And we had beans in here.
Mm-hmm. We had tomatoes in that one.
We had
there.
tomatoes back there, so something else will go in there.
But we're putting all like the nightshades in one area. And are we going to try to fence them off, or?
No, you rotate. Because like the beans add nitrogen, and the corn sucks it out. So you don't want to keep planting the same thing. So we rotate like every third year.
Did you know that there was going to be so much science involved with gardening?
Because I think I have 6 or 7 kinds of tomatoes I'm going to plant. So we had cucumbers there last year.
Raspberries.
Ventilation in the hoop house. We'll put the watermelon in the hoop house, but it needs a good airflow. Oh, I got onions yet.
The sunflowers are coming back up, aren't they?
Yeah. There's one here, here. So those are volunteers.
Do we have any over there that?
Yeah,
Yeah, maybe one.
that might be one. Yeah, we haven't gotten to this part yet.
Clearly.
Yeah, the brassicas. Probably go back in.
Can you believe some big YouTubers like us let their garden look like this?
Why when you film you do this, Sonny? You like
Because I'm really into it.
when he's filming, he's doing this. Right.
And there's the strawberry planter that we made a couple weeks ago. Look at it now. Beautiful. So the video we had of the planters, was the first video of ours to go over 1,000 views. So thank you so much to our supporters, our community. And if you're not subscribed, because I get the stats and only like 13% of you are subscribed to our channel. So if you're watching, just subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And you get excitement like this, whatever this is. Who are you talking to?
Hey, stay at the front door. We're around back.
Old man and technology.
Tell you what, give me some nice solar panels with these.
So last year we got a couple of these. These are these portable generators that are solar powered. And we've just never hooked them up. And so this year, as we're going to be working in the garden, we anticipate needing a lot of tools for your expansion, for fencing, for things like that. And so we're going to see if we can start charging these, because we actually don't even know how to use them. So hopefully they work. Could be a game changer. I mean, I guess it's charging. Well, well, well. Another day, another garden adventure. Except today is a little different, because today marks the first day of shorts wearing season. Another blustery day as well. And I got these wind protector things on these microphones. Look how huge this thing is. That's how I'm gonna look in like 30 years.
That thing will blow up on you. Got me.
Wow. Exactly what the doctor ordered.
Why? Oh, wait, I need a shovel.
Yeah, that's what I need. I don't know why I'm giving that to you.
You've got mail. You have to put the, you've got mail.
Okay, I was. Yeah, we got some help at the farm today. Claire and her daughter, her beautiful 1-year-old daughter.
Okay, in this bed I'm going to be putting some brassicas, some celery, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. This is her first time gardening, isn't it? Yeah. This is Claire's first time gardening. it your first time garden? Is it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go put it back in the ground.
Are there any vegetables that we're planting this year that we're planting for the very first time?
Yeah. Swiss chard.
Swiss chard.
Different kind of corn. We got red corn that we're going to be planting.
Not fun to start out.
No, it isn't. She's going to fold up on you.
Yep.
You're not recording, are you?
Yep. I mean, I can always edit stuff out, so if I...
Let me get some of this compost. See what happens to that one. Let's save this one for this little bucket.
That's like the Pentecostal type inside the church.
I was going to say, we had a cage on it, that's right.
It
Yeah,
fell
so
over.
that- okay. So I can put. I'll put in some seeds. Got your dump truck? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. And your watering can.
Oh, yeah.
I distinctly remember doing this last year.
Better.
Pulling these out. There's one.
All right, I'm about to stick this peat moss into the hoop house, and it has been like 75 to 80 degrees today. And so I'm gonna first see how hot it is in our new hoop house. Check it out. Oh, good Lord. Oh, good Lord. Oh. All right, we got a thermometer here. What's it say? What's it say here? 100 and 102? 102, something like that. Ooh, man. It is steamy in here. It looks like some sort of like a rainforest in here too, with all this tropical vegetation. Or just weeds.